Every summer I go out and do all kinds of grilling on my smoker, and one of the things I grill is artichokes. And I get so many compliments when I do these grilled artichokes that I decided to do a video to show you how simple and easy it is to make these wonderfully delicious artichokes. And you're going to start off with a couple of globe artichokes just like this. So let's get started on how I make these wonderful grilled artichokes.
You'll want to get started by giving them a good rinse and letting them drain. Then you want to cut them in half lengthwise from the top to the bottom. Artichokes have a tendency to oxidize quickly, so cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice on all of the cut flesh to keep it looking nice and bright. Place your artichoke halves in a steamer, and we'll steam these for about 20 to 25 minutes. While my artichokes are steaming, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the oil that I'll use to spread on top of the artichokes before they go in the smoker. And I'm using extra virgin organic olive oil and some organic garlic. Then I add some fresh herbs from my garden. This time, it's thyme. This black truffle sea salt adds a perfect flavor for the oil. After about 20 minutes, you're going to want to check your artichokes to make sure they're done. Carefully pull them out and poke them with a fork just to make sure that they're fork tender. Then I set them out and I let them sit just till they're cool enough where I can handle them. Now I'm going to put the olive oil herb mixture into my halves of artichoke, just brushing it in to try to push as much of the oil and the herbs in between the leaves as possible. And then I'll give the back sides a light coating as well.
So we do our artichokes on the smoker, which is pretty low heat. There's no direct flame touching the artichokes. You can do them on a regular charcoal or gas grill as well. You'll probably just want to put them on that top rack.
While my artichokes are grilling, I'm going to start on my artichoke dipping sauce. And I'm taking the leftover oil that I put on the artichokes, and I'm adding a little bit of butter and some fresh lemon juice. I'll pop it in the microwave just to melt the butter a little bit, and then I'm going to add a little bit of organic mayonnaise, about 2 tablespoons, just to give it a creamy texture. And then I'm adding a little bit more of that black truffle salt just to make sure it has good truffle flavor. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to go out and check my artichokes and flip them over so that they get browned on both sides. And after about 10 more minutes, I'm going to go out and check just to make sure that everything looks brown and crisp, and then I'm going to pull them off the smoker.
All right, so here are the grilled artichokes. They have a little bit of that crispy feeling on some of the outer leaves, but the insides are really tender and moist. It's gonna be delicious with the dip that I made for dinner tonight.
These artichokes are the perfect side dish for any of your summer meals. I hope you enjoyed this video on my grilled artichokes. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you could give me a thumbs up. And if you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, get outside, grow your own food, and I'll see you guys in the next video.